Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the exact process to activate and enable shaders inside TLauncher Minecraft to immediately upgrade your game with breathtaking lighting effects, waving grass, and beautiful reflections. To begin this visual transformation, open up your desktop TLauncher client interface and look down toward the bottom right corner at the Master Game Versions drop-down selection menu. Scroll through this directory list until you locate a version build labeled with the specific prefix Forge Optifine or Optifine, which possesses the built-in rendering code framework required to execute advanced custom shaders. Click the orange Enter the Game button to let your system initialize these specific performance mod files and boot directly to the main title screen. Next, open up your preferred web browser to download any popular shader zip file, such as BSL or Silder's Vibrant, directly from a trusted modding database website onto your storage drive without unzipping the archive folder. Head back into your active Minecraft window, select the Options menu tile, click into the Video Settings configuration screen, and choose the dedicated Shaders submenu button. From there, click on the Open Shader Packs folder button on the bottom left layout to force open your system file directory window. Then simply drag and drop your downloaded shader zip archive right into this exact folder space. Return to your running game screen, click once on the newly populated shader pack name listed in the Global Directory menu, and hit Apply to instantly experience a completely revitalized, stunningly realistic blocky world. Subscribe the channel for more videos.